Hello. The lock I have for you today is a American lock Series 50. It's also the 50 millimeter body. I have a piece of duct tape right here. I'll show you what that's about after I pick it. Using top of the keyway tension, Peterson pry bar, and a 15 thousandths hook. And as with all American locks, light tension, because there's guaranteed to be some serrated pins in here. That was 3, gave me a little click. 2, 1, 5, 4. I believe that was 3, 2, and that was 1, and it's open. That was actually pretty easy. American lock, Series 50. And the reason I have this is because the newer American locks, sometimes they are riveted. I'm trying to do it so it doesn't glare. If you can see down in there, sometimes they are riveted instead of having a screw down in there. And that is the case with this one. So what I had to do was drill out the rivet in order to be able to take out this core. And that's what I did. And then I went to the hardware shop, or the local locksmith, and they were out of the screws. They were out of these and the screws that go through these things. So now I'm stuck with this thing for now with duct tape on it. Okay. Need to get this C-clip off. And need a small follower. I do have a key. I'm actually going to turn it the other way. There we go. And actually, I'm pretty sure these come out and they don't get caught in this little crack right here, but I'm going to put in a shim just to be safe. Okay. Aha. Well, the shim didn't go all the way through, and it actually got caught on the first pin, but I was able to get the core out. So let me push this back in, and then we'll do the key pins first. And typical of American locks, 6-pin core, but only 5 are pinned up. It's a waste if you ask me. Why even drill a 6th pin hole if you're not even going to use it? And then we'll see what's in the goods. Spool, serrated, spool with serrated ends, spool with serrated ends. Surprised there's not more serrateds in here. Spool with serrated end. Wow. Nothing in the core, I don't believe. No, nothing in the core. Give you a close up. Those are the spools with the serrated ends, serrated, and then 3, 4, and 5 are the same as the spools with serrated ends. And key pins, all 5 of them have the double serrations on tops. Alright. Well, that is all I have for you today on the American Lock Series 50. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. If you like this video, please subscribe, and remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.